Hey everybody, Kia of Saskatoon here. We take anything in on trade, just like that camper. Anyways, back to this beautiful Jeep. This is a 2016 Jeep, and it is blacked out. It's black on black, but just wait till you see the interior. It's got a unique color combination. It is just beautiful. This thing just looks awesome. It looks like it can handle some off-road, no problem. The Jeeps are known for that. It's got the 4x4. This thing is ready to go, and she's ready to tow, that's for sure. It's got the hitch on the back there. Let's take a look. Once we go into the back here, as you can see, you got the black seating, black with gray with the nice stitching. Very nice accent to add on there. As you can see down here on the door handles, you got a nice little accent there too. Once we're coming in around, as you can see, this thing also too, it has the roof rails for you already, which is really nice to see. Now take a look at this. Look at that interior. Just look at that dash and the steering wheel. Oh, that color is just something else. I don't know what it is about it, but it just stands out from the crowd like nothing else. It's amazing. So anyways, this Jeep only has 38,000 kilometers for 2016. That is actually very low. This has heated seats and heated steering wheel as well. The steering wheel is leather. Very nice feel. Very comfortable actually as well. And one thing we always like about the Jeeps, they always have that little badge there since 1941. These things have been proven to go off-road, as well as nowadays be proven to be an excellent vehicle for your daily needs. This also has auto stop as well, so when you're coming up to a light, the vehicle shuts down, saves some fuel, especially if you're sitting there for a while. And also here too, you got some extra plugins. I'll move this out of the way so we can kind of take a look at. You got an SD card plug-in, you got the 12 volt, you got an auxiliary, and as well as USB. And the best part about the Jeep is that if you do want to go off-roading, you got a couple different modes there to choose from. So anyways, come on down to Kia of Saskatoon. We're taking anything in as a trade-in. Make sure to not miss out on this Jeep. This is not going to last long. This is a beautiful Jeep, and we look forward to seeing you here soon. Make sure to like us on Facebook, Instagram, and of course follow us on our YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. See you later, folks.